What is up, YouTube? This is Luke from QC3D, and back with an update. I actually started making an update video a week or two ago, just never got around to posting it, but a lot has changed, so we're going to scrap that and let's start again. So, hey, what's going on here? More benches. Let me get some lights on here. We got some more benches. 2 more benches built and assembled. And I've got an MK3S Plus, the other Prusa printer. Got one of those going here. So yeah, built that, assembled that. That's new. I had a 5th Mini, Prusa Mini, that was up in my office that has come down. I have to put that in production for November here, because November is a busy month for me. I sell a lot of items that are popular for Christmas. So all those early shoppers are driving me crazy right now, but a good crazy. I've been shipping out a lot. Hey, here's another workbench. Just got this delivered from Home Depot for $8.99. Not bad. So I don't have to lug that into my car and make a trip. So yeah, got the King Rune going here. This has been 24/7 printing out some of my parts here. This part only. This printer does an excellent job at printing that piece that my Prusas aren't. Very strange. I put the old Ender up here. This is my very first printer. I sold all 4 or 5 of my other ones I had. This is my very first one. I'm probably going to tune that up, and I may have to put that into use here because every printer is running here. We're going crazy. Got my assembly bench going here. Been assembling a lot. My shipping workbench right here. We got the cardboard box. We got the tape. We got the padded envelopes in there. All that going on. Trying to keep the part shelves full here of items. Trying. I just got a little breathing room yesterday to get things boxed up, but a lot of items, they're Christmas ornaments there. Those are ready to go. Those have been shipping and selling like crazy right now. Also, those more ornaments there. So items, those are crazy. Those are ornaments as well. So Christmas ornaments, it's that season. Those are selling like crazy. Items that, like that, business card holders, appointment card holders, the business has slowed for that. But other ones that I make and sell have been going crazy. I just stocked this shelf. This was totally empty. I was making to order on those, and I've been selling multiple per day, and so that's trying to get ahead here. Just trying to stay ahead. It is the first week of November is done, and I have already done more than what I typically do in half a month. So we're selling good. Every printer here is busy today making parts. An item that I've had and was about ready to take off of Etsy is taking off now. So I'm kind of stocking up, building things for that. So other items. Every printer is busy, and I still would like to print more, but I don't think I'm going to get another printer because I imagine in January we're going to slow down a bit. But yeah, so that's what's going on. Very busy right now. I don't know if I'm good enough with YouTube, but I may post a picture of the stack of boxes I had from this past weekend here. I had to take multiple trips into the post office with packages. I had a lot to go out. So yeah, so more workbenches. Oh, another thing we got done. So along with some new lights, I ran electric. There was an extension cord running, and I put outlets up at the ceiling level in here. So the extension cord that used to be draped across the ceiling is now gone. I put outlets across and a bigger circuit here to handle all these printers and lights. I got some extra outlets for another row of stuff that goes here. Yes, I put the outlets on the ceiling, and the reason I did that is like just to drop down to these benches. You know, I didn't want to permanently fasten to the wall. This gives me more flexibility to move things. Put them where I needed to. Also kind of got myself a new little toolbox here for my tools to work on all this stuff. Yeah, another outlet up there. Maybe plug some other things in there, my drill chargers and stuff like that. But yeah, busy. Hey, let's stop over here. Filament rack. This was packed full just a week ago. I am burning through a lot of black, white, silver filament. That's what this top row it's going. I'm going through a lot, especially black. A lot of my ornaments have black in them. So yeah, going through filament, which is a good thing. I am using the New Makers. Still figuring it out. Some rolls I have require a higher temp. Some of them don't. Some of them are acting goofy. I mean, this roll that's on my King Rune, I can't get that to print on my Prusa. It's acting like it's ABS or something, or even PETG. I don't know, but it's working great on here. So I even had to put a little bit of glue down on the bed to kind of help hold. So I'm thinking it's more like a PETG or something that got onto that roll labeled PLA+. But hey, temp's cranked up to 230 and it's working on that one. So yeah. These items here, something that I made for my kids, listed them on Etsy, didn't sell them. They are selling now. So now those are back in production. So the MK3S doing a great job. I wanted a little bigger bed for some bigger items. What bigger items? So nothing tall, nothing cosplay. Here's a little sign I made. Something I saw in a porta potty 20 years ago that I just couldn't get out of my mind. It was hilarious. There we go. So bigger signs, things my minis can't make. I love it. Yeah, so that's it. That's the updates. We're busy. 1 week into November and our sales numbers are looking good. If this keeps up at the pace we are, we should do double our sales for the month. So hey, thank you for watching my quick 3D printer update here, and subscribe, like, come back for more as we grow.